If you're tired of gas-powered lawnmowers but still need enough power to handle a large property, an electric riding mower could be a very interesting alternative. Today we're reviewing the Greenworks 60V 30-inch riding lawn mower, a battery-powered machine designed to cover up to 1.25 acres, with a claimed 16 HP gas-equivalent performance, a top speed of 6 miles per hour, and the ability to tow up to 200 pounds. This package also includes 4 8.0Ah batteries and a turbo wall charger. But can this electric riding mower really replace a gas machine? Let's find out. The Greenworks 60V 30-inch riding lawn mower is designed for homeowners who want the convenience of battery power without giving up the practicality of a riding mower. Its 30-inch cutting deck makes it considerably more compact than many traditional riding lawn tractors, making it easier to maneuver around smaller properties, gates, landscaping and tighter areas. The 4 included 8.0Ah batteries provide up to 1,920 watt-hours of battery capacity, giving the mower enough stored energy for substantial residential mowing jobs. It's particularly suited for properties around the 1-acre range, depending on grass conditions and mowing habits. The biggest highlight is the 60V battery platform. Instead of gasoline, the mower uses 4 rechargeable 8.0Ah batteries to power the cutting system and drivetrain. Greenworks rates the mower at up to 16 HP gas-equivalent power, while the electric drivetrain provides instant torque without requiring engine warm-up, oil changes or fuel. The 30-inch steel cutting deck is designed to provide a useful balance between cutting width and maneuverability. With a 6 miles per hour maximum forward speed, you can cover larger areas efficiently while still having good control around landscaping and obstacles. And when you need to transport equipment around your property, the mower can tow up to 200 pounds. Charging convenience is another major advantage. This package includes a turbo wall charger, allowing the 4 batteries to be recharged without dealing with gasoline, engine maintenance or fuel storage. The electric design also means significantly less noise and no direct exhaust emissions while you're mowing. That's especially useful if you live in a residential neighborhood and want to mow without the sound and fumes associated with a traditional gas-riding mower. The compact size is another advantage. A 30-inch deck can fit into spaces where larger riding mowers may struggle, while the riding configuration makes mowing much less physically demanding than pushing a traditional walk-behind mower. In everyday use, the Greenworks mower's biggest strengths are quiet operation, instant electric power and easy maneuverability. For typical residential lawns, the 30-inch cutting deck offers a good compromise between coverage and control. The 4-battery setup gives you plenty of energy capacity, but real-world runtime will depend heavily on grass height, terrain, cutting speed, slope, temperature and how aggressively you mow. The claimed 1.25-acre coverage should therefore be viewed as an estimate rather than a guaranteed distance for every lawn. It's also important to remember that this is a compact riding mower, not a commercial zero-turn machine. For homeowners with moderate-sized properties, however, the combination of battery power, riding comfort and low maintenance makes a lot of sense. So, is the Greenworks 60V 30-inch riding lawnmower worth buying? If you want a quiet, low-maintenance electric riding mower for a residential property around an acre, this is a compelling option. You get 60V battery power, 4 8.0Ah batteries, up to 1,920 watt-hours of capacity, a 30-inch cutting deck, 6 miles per hour top speed, 200-pound towing capacity, and a turbo wall charger. The biggest advantages are avoiding gasoline, oil changes and engine maintenance while getting a comfortable riding experience. On the other hand, battery runtime and charging requirements mean you need to plan your mowing around your property size and conditions. For homeowners who want to move away from gas without giving up the convenience of a riding mower, the Greenworks 60V 30-inch model is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of lawn equipment, outdoor power tools, electric equipment, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.